Welcome. Is it possible to disable filtering on a Telegram? So, guys, in order for you to do that, you have to do it on a web browser. Sadly, you cannot do it directly on the application. So, go to your Chrome or any web browser, and after that, just simply go for web.telegram.org, and now it will go to a sign in. So just simply provide your country and your phone number over here. And then after that, a code will be sent to you. Now, once you have provided the code, you would just simply select the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, go for settings on the pop-up window. Now, over here, just simply go for privacy and security. And right after this one, scroll down. And as you can see, you will have a sensitive content. And now just simply disable filtering if you want to turn it off. So guys, remember, you can only do this on a web browser and you cannot do this on the application. And there you go. I hope this video helped you find out more, and thanks for watching.